Allah'ım sen dur ya Resulüm, sen dur. Allah'ım sen dur. Allah'ım sen dur ya Resulüm, sen dur. Allah'ım.
Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel.
Hangi şah?
Ay bizim ev geldi. Ay Ahmet ev geliyor ev.
The information in the video shows an incident in Kahramanmarash, Turkey. 34 people were injured as a result of a tornado that hit the region of Pazardzhik in Kahramanmarash. The tornado occurred in the district center where hell had been raging since noon.
Çatılar uçuyor, spintini kurtaralım. Allah! Allah!
The roofs of some houses were damaged by tornado in the area of Memis Ozdal. Some vehicles in the area were seen to have been flipped over by the tornado. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.